Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am going to June 2006 Forensic Science Paper 2. I am Dr. Anjani and I am going to giving solution of all of you to 2006 June. This paper contained 50 multiple choice. Each question carried 2 marks attempt of them. Forensic science is a application of scientific method and technology for the purpose of justice. The principle of exchange was in enunciated by Locard exchange principle. Collection of exhibits from the scene of crime must be done by Goldberg hand and forceps. Footprint on dust can be preserved by electrostatic method. Option 2, 3 and 4. Tracing electrostatic method and for photography. Sperm amine and choline are constituents of semen. Celeoscopy is the study of lips. Analyzer is used in polarizing microscope. Match the following list with an item with order. Same downy feather. ESDA blood examination. Gel electrophoresis blood examination. ESDA indented writing. GLC arson cases. Atomizer used in atomic absorption spectroscopy. Beers-Lambert's law is connected with absorption. Best method to do ABO blood grouping is precipitation reaction. Arrange the test match of the blood in the proper sequence. Third, visual examination. Second, absorption illusion. Fourth, Takayama crystal test. Second, Benzidine. Third, visual examination. First, Benzidine. Fourth, Takayama crystal test. And second, absorption illusion. Slide test is used for identification of soil. Match the item with list with the item order. Amylase. Second, saliva. Third, choline. Third, semen. Hemoglobin, blood. Keratin, hair. P30 is abundantly bound in semen. Arrange the order of eruption of permanent teeth. Fourth, molar. Third, incisor. Second, premolar. First is canine. Ethanol is used as an antidote in methanol poisoning because ethanol completed of ADH enzyme. Crack is term used for cocaine. Ammonium sulfate method is used for detection of alkaloids. The substance used by athletes for doping is nandrolone. A dum-dum bullet causes greater devastation in body because it mushrooms after impact. Arrange the following in sequence based on the ring of firing. First scrottling, second burning, fourth tattooing, or fourth metallic residue. Walker is a test of for GSR is used in detection of nitride. Components of RDX trimethylene trimine. Hair can be differentiated from the fiber by presence of a scale. Match of the item 1 with item 2. Margaret Pereira. Serology. Alec Jeffrey. DNA profiling. Chatterjee S.K. Fingerprint. O. Hilton. Document. Nodes are seen in linen. Relative density of soil falls within the range of 1 to 1.8. Select the correct combination according to code. Comparison tool marks are produced by first and fourth are correct. Hammer and fourth firing pin. The following material is useful for casting footprint on snow wax. Metopic structure if fused, the age is said to be more than 6 years but less than 1 year. Cephalic index is determined from a skull. The number of teeth of human child of 3 years is 20. According to Gustafsson method, which of these most significant parameter attrition? Human femur is identified by the presence of linea aspera. Chemical erasure can be deciphered by thiocanine acid. Age of link between determined by chlorine diffusion. The common most types of finger pattern in India ulnar loop. Latent fingerprints on fingernail can be developed by copper powder. Arrange the following sequential order of fingerprint examination. 4 cyclic reading, second core type, third ridge count, first ridge tracing. Forensic etymology help to determination of time of death. Match one item with another. Circle, bruise, cane. Perforating injury, thorn, scratch, cricket ball. Tramline contusion, for sword. Adsorption adiposity is formed by the action of bacteria Clostridium. It is facilitated by hot and dry climate. Option A is true, R is false. Choose the correct combination. Mummified body help to in determination of third and fourth time since death and palace of death. Real honey can be disguised from synthetic honey by the presence of pollens. Read the following passage and answer the question concerning to it. Body of young girl was found with multiple deep cuts over the neck. Her right hand was clenched firmly with strands of hair. Her left palm shows multiple deep cut wounds. There was discharge of blood from the genitalia with tears of hymen and perineum. Her clothes show a starchy stain. The wounds over the neck are suggestive of assault. The feature of right hand is suggestive of cadaveric spasm. Wounds on the left hand are suggestive of defense wound. The bleeding and tears from genitalia is indicative of forced sexual intercourse. The stain on the cloth can be identified conclusively as semen by acid phosphate test, Barberio test, spermatozoa, all of the above. Thank you for listening. Like, share, subscribe for more content.